Hello from our home. This is Alapui Drive. Alapui Drive. It's a bunch of wild orchids. Super pretty. Not down on our lot yet, but there's lots of wild ginger. Right there, wild ginger. This awesome pine tree here. Let me see if I can get some of it. Super tall. Really cool looking. Then we have our gate, which is down right now. There usually is a chain that goes across there so nobody comes in. It's private. So 11/17/76 is the property. And then right here we have a bunch of cool trees that grow as houseplants in Wisconsin. Both those red ones, not sure what they're called, and the green and yellow variegated ones grow as houseplants in Wisconsin. Here they're trees, similar in nature, I guess. Similar in nature. But yeah, there's a bunch of cool ones like that. There we go. And this is some sort of, it's our compost over here too, so sorry about that. This is some sort of citrus, either lemon or lime tree, we're not sure yet. There's the Camry in our cabin. This over here are banana trees. They're a little bit close to the house. They have a lot of bugs, but they're awesome. We're about to harvest our first bananas ever on this land. But here's a little, I don't know if it's a shade tent or something, or like they had a greenhouse there at some point. There's 6 or 7 raised beds here that we're planting a bunch of stuff, and I just planted this one with flowers, and it's got a purple sweet potato growing in it right now. And then this one is Richard Root's resting spot. His ashes are buried there, so we planted a bunch of beans and stuff that he liked there. Here is our lemon tree. It's actually two trees. We're not sure if one's a lemon and one's lime, or if they're both lemons. So you can see the roof of the other A-frame from here. Some pineapples growing in this bed right here. You can see we haven't cleaned this one out yet, but the whole bed has them in there. Oops, kind of missing it, I guess. Oh, there they are. Every little spiky thing. They just cut the tops off and plant them right in the dirt. So yeah, we're gonna have a bunch of flowers in this one, some beans in that one. I'm sure we're gonna do carrots, onions, tomatoes, watermelons, muskmelons, and then we're also gonna plant bananas, lemons. We have a tangerine tree. But this is like those pine trees here are really cool. These vines, they kind of just take over and grow up these dead trees. They're really neat. You see a lot of that dead tree with a vine growing up of it. Here's all my herb garden I just planted. Sage, lavender, basil, chives, parsley, chives over there, yes, lavender, I said that. So yeah, the wild ginger is just kind of everywhere. If you just basically cut those down, you can see the root, the ginger root is actually growing out of the ground. Like, and you can just whack it off. I'm not sure what the growing seasons really are supposed to be. But here's the blue cabin. We're going around one side to show you this cool plant here. It's going up a tree. Oh, yeah, there you go. See people grow those inside in Wisconsin a lot too, but the leaves are just huge. Maybe you can see better if I put my hand up here like this. That's how big it is. Huge. But yeah, look how thick this is. All jungle right outside our door. This is a banana tree. This kind of hung up in some jungle madness here. It's this palm looking thing. This guy right here. These are the banana. This is some citrus tree too, lemon or lime. And then they have this nice little driveway down here that we just walked down. So here's some more banana trees. I'm not sure what this tree is. Like, has some really pretty kind of bird berries on it with a white flower. Not sure exactly what that is either. So here's the first shot at the A-frame that we're working on. It's got a fire pit in the backyard. It has this wild jasmine that grows back there. It's called night jasmine. It's so awesome. It smells just amazing. Right here is a tangerine tree in our yard at the A-frame. And then those awesome pine trees again. I just cut down a bunch of ginger here to give us a little more room. This is our new power supply generator. Thank you, Sally, for allowing us to use your credit card. It's awesome. We have electricity everywhere we go now. So yeah, lots of the wild ginger in there again. And I'm not sure what this kind of tree is, if it's a citrus of some kind too or not. Can't remember. I guess we'll find out here. These things are cool. Montessori Delicioso, the Swiss cheese plant. They grow these big stalks out of them. Let's see if I can find one. Oh, this tree is super awesome too. The A-frame, but front of the A-frame. Another citrus tree, I think a tangerine tree this must be. This is going back to our first bananas picking experience. They're kind of hidden up in there. See them? Yeah. And then these cool things, they're like 10, 15, 20 feet tall. They don't look like it, but they're very tall. More banana trees.